House in Sovereign FC from cabin or land. Looking for a smaller home on more SRG away from other neighborhood or raw land. What can be boiled to my space? Perfectly near BLM land or national forest. Large enough from house and other small farm animal. I have a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home on a corner lot in Sovereign West FC. Close to school, shopping and the foothills. Many urgent scene purchase. Original owner model house for the neighborhood. Finished basement, 2-car garage, RCB parking, fully landing. Recent approach puts my property at willing to create for same value or can upgrades as well as downside. Prefer western slope of Colondo, but mentors or organ many work as well. What do you have? Let me know. Looking for a smaller home on more agency away from other neighborhood or raw land. What can be boiled to my space? I have a mini apartment house in Sovereign. Close to school, shopping and food help. Many urgent scene in this area. Full away from other or raw land and other small farm house. What do you have? Let me know. Its house in Sovereign FC for cabin or land.